Hello guys and welcome. Are you interested in using Chatgpt on your mobile device but not sure how to get started? Well, you are in luck because in this tutorial we will be showing you exactly how to use Chatgpt on your mobile browser. So, let's dive in. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is to open your mobile browser. It could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser of your choice. Step 2. Go to the ChatGPT website. Once you have your mobile browser open, go to the ChatGPT website by typing openai.com in the bar and hit an enter. Step 3. Click on the Try ChatGPT button. To use ChatGPT, you need to have an account, which we discussed in other videos. Click on Login and choose an already registered email, or click on Sign up and create a new fresh account. Remember to use a valid email, a valid phone number, since you are going to receive account verifications. Step 4. Type in your message or speak to ChatGPT. Now that you are given ChatGPT access to your microphone, you can start using it. You can either type in your message or speak to ChatGPT. If you choose to speak, make sure you are in a quiet environment and speak clearly. Step 5. Get your response. After you have typed in your message or spoken to ChatGPT, wait a few seconds for the response to get generated. ChatGPT will generate a response based on your inputs, and that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT on your mobile browser. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. See you soon.